As a performance marketing agency, TMC is focused on one thing: results, making our clients more successful. We understand that scaling your advertising spend isn't your first priority. You want to see a return first, more sales transactions, and an increase in the commissions you collect. And that's the way it should be. At TMC, we're 100% committed to helping you achieve this. We use smart strategies to minimize lead costs, no matter which channels you use. We create a measurement and feedback loop so that we can constantly improve lead quality, and we help you track sales cycles so budgets can be focused where payback is quickest. Because we know that if we help you win, you'll stick with us. And that's the best way for us to grow as a business. So if you want a partner who has your best interests at heart, talk to TMC. Register now for a free 45-minute strategy call to get started.